quick little overview of the bike I just picked up. I really like the way it's sitting right now, but we're gonna change it up. I'm probably gonna swap all these parts over to another bike. Actually, I have another idea for this bike, but it is beautiful. Chromes are like in immaculate condition. So I'm gonna put the triple crank on. Derailleur. I'm not sure which front derailleur this is. Does it say? Two shifters. It's missing lock ring. I got one. I'm gonna put that on. This appears to be, I don't know, believe it's real leather. It feels spongy. I don't know, never had real leather wraps, but it's dope. It's beautiful. I don't want to change these handlebars. I'm just going to change them again, maybe I think to a different bike. But yeah, this is definitely a keeper. $100, and it has no brakes. There's the other thing, which I have a bunch, so we're fine on that. That's why you always keep spare parts from old bikes. With that said, I do need to get rid of a bunch. If you need something, I don't know, little parts here and there, hit me up, maybe I have something. But yeah, this one's definitely keep it. The cream and the chrome is crazy. But yeah, hopefully my vision works out for this one. Got a couple things to do. I need to tune up, so like the bearings are dry inside of here, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. The headsets, top and bottom. So I'm just gonna get something on that. Put a brake on, put some air in the tires, and go for a little ride, and that's probably about it. Other than that, I'm probably gonna just strip it down, put this entire group set on another bike I have a plan for. Like I've been wanting to do something with for a very long time. In this other bike, I had the frame. It's been years since I've had it, and I just like, to the side, but now I know what to do with it. So yeah, another one, baby.